Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharmagist. In today's video, we'll be learning how to visualize a protein using Discovery Studio Visualizer. So here in this video, I'll be explaining how to take a protein. For example, so first you have to go to the protein data bank, download any protein of your interest. You can type either the protein code or the protein name. For example, here I am typing the word ubiquitin. See here it is showing different names of ubiquitin. So select any name you wish. So here we can see it has given us 19 structures. Out of this we shall go with the first structure. Let us see. So when this comes, so here you can see the download files. When you click on this, so different formats of the file are displayed over here. So here we have to download the PDB format for this purpose, and these are the different other formats. Accordingly, whenever required, you can download different formats, but now we require only the PDB format. So I will download the PDB format of the protein. Then you have to go to Discovery Studio. So here in Discovery Studio, so this is the opening page. When you open the Discovery Studio Visualizer, it is an academic version 3.5. This is an older version. So here you have to go to the file, then click on open, and so here you have your protein. Select the protein and open it. From where you have downloaded, you can open the file from there itself. Now here you can see you have your protein. So you have to click on your mouse in order to rotate the protein. So it depends based on the mouse you are using. So right clicking or left clicking the mouse, you can see how the protein moves. Here you can change the background color of this by right clicking. See here you can see display style and then color. So in this color you have this option background. So from this background, if you want a white background, you can select white and then click OK. So the background color is changed. If you want any other color also, you can change. See here you can see background again. I am giving light blue suppose. See here you got a light blue. Next, but for now, for this tutorial purpose, I will keep a white background only. And then you have your protein. So these are two different chains. So in order to view how many chains are there, here go to view and select hierarchy. So here the hierarchy of the protein will be displayed. So it is showing two chains A and B. So here the name of the protein is displayed 1AAR. So the name of the protein PDB code is 1AAR, and then it has two chains A and B. So when you click on this plus, all the amino acids which are present in this protein, they are displayed. So this chain A has 76 amino acids, and next again chain B has also 76 amino acids, and this other one is how many water molecules are there, also it is showing. Here it has 7 water molecules in chain A, and then in chain B also there are 8 water molecules. So when you click on this plus, and now if you want to see, suppose you are clicking on any amino acid, it will be displayed. See here I have selected glycine 10. So here this yellow part you can see. I'll zoom it for you. So when I zoom it, see glycine 10 I have selected, so this part is highlighted in yellow color. If you are selecting 11, see it shifted over here, 12 here, 13. So if you want to select multiple, then you have to press Ctrl and press select this. See, I have selected now 4 amino acids, and all these 4 amino acids have been displayed in this yellow color. Likewise, if you want, you can particularly, if you want to select a particular amino acid, you can select like this, in this manner. And now coming to the representations of this protein. So if you want to change the representation of this protein, you have to select this protein. So here I have selected chain B. If you want to select chain A, you can select like this. See, you can either double click on this protein itself, then this only one chain will be selected. So here I have clicked on chain A, so this entire chain A is highlighted in yellow color. And then if you want to select B chain, then if you are double clicking on the chain, then this chain will be selected. Or else, even in this hierarchy table, if you are selecting A, so A will be selected. If you are selecting B, B will be selected. So first now select A chain. So now you have selected A chain, then go to display style. Here in display style, you have to select this protein. So in protein, it is showing solid ribbon. Now if you want it as a flat ribbon, you can select flat ribbon here and then apply. See, it has changed. And if you want, you can change the colors of this flat ribbon also. Now it is in red, blue and green. So the sheets are in blue, helix is in red color. So if you want to change this again, select this, go to display style and select protein over here, and here custom color. So when you select custom color, you can select any color of your choice. Suppose I am selecting here this dark green. Okay, apply. See, it has changed to dark green. And now select chain B. Here also change the display style. This will keep it as red color or magenta color. Okay, apply. See, you have green and you have magenta color. And now if you want to select a particular amino acid, like this, and you have to change its display style, then go to this and select ball and stick, apply. See, it has changed ball and stick. And if you, so now you see, you can see that the ball and stick model of this amino acid is there. And if you want to change the color of this ball and stick also, which matches to the ribbon, go to this custom color and select the magenta color. Okay, apply. See, it has got the same color as that of the protein. And if you want to label this protein, label this amino acid particularly, right click on this residue and then go to labels, add label, and here you got the label. So here you have to select this, because this is an amino acid, you are selecting it as amino acid. And if you want to change the font, you can change the font, and you can change the color also. Okay, apply. So here you got the label. So it is lysine 6, this amino acid. So likewise for this also you can do the same thing. Select an amino acid. You can select the amino acid from this also or from here. Go to this. So this is which amino acid? It is isoleucine 44. Okay, so now right click on this. Here also you can do the right click. Okay, sorry, here only you have to do the right click, then go to display style and click on ball and stick. This time we will give it only has sticks, and apply. See, you can see the difference. This is ball and stick model, this is stick model. And if you want to change the color, go to green color, apply. Okay. And if you want to retain the carbon color, you can say only carbons. You can select that option also. And like this you can give different style of representations for different amino acids. Now let us try CPK model, because it is in green color. Okay, so here it has the option carbon atoms only. So if you want only the carbon atoms to be with the protein color also, you can do like that. See, you got the CPK model for this. Now if you want to label it, select the amino acid. So if you double click on the amino acid, you can, that amino acid gets selected, and then add the label. Because once you have already given the label dimensions, the font size and color, it will by default show that value as long as you are using this. But once you close the window, these values will not exist. But if you, as long as you are not closing the window, you can apply the same value, and it becomes easy. So here this is isoleucine 44, this is histidine 68. So in this manner you can color your protein, you can change the representations of your protein, and you can change the representation of individual amino acids. So this is about how to visualize a protein using Discovery Studio Visualizer. I hope the video was helpful to you. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.